Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I always get questions about my brows and who does them. So I do my brows myself, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I basically do my brows every day. Super simple and easy. I only use one product to do my brows, and that is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I like to use the color chocolate. I used to use ebony, but I like the way that the color chocolate looks a lot better. I feel like it looks a little more natural, and it's not as dark as the ebony color. I also use the Airspun loose powder before I do my brows, and that's just kind of like to set the brow hairs. And then I use the NYX like tapered brush in order to fill my brows in with the Dip Brow Pomade. It's the one with the spoolie on the end. And before I dip my brush in the pomade, I always spray it with this rose water spray just to get the brush a little bit moist. And then I kind of alternate with different spoolies when I'm brushing out my brows. Usually I might just use this one, but sometimes I can use the spoolie that's on the end of the Brow Wiz pencil for Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then I have just this random AOA Studio spoolie. I kind of just like to use different spoolies when I'm filling in my brows. So yeah, so really that's all I use to fill my brows in. So if you're interested in seeing how I get my brows to look like this, then please keep watching.